cohesion in groups. What is over cohesion? We'll learn in this entire presentation. So, introduction. As I said, what is over cohesion? Over cohesion in the sense over unity. Like you will have unity in your classes, right? Different groups you have, like you have already formed. Like forming groups is okay, but over cohesion, over unity leads to some problems. So we'll discuss about that problem. And problems arising from over cohesion. Over cohesion in groups often referred to as groupthink. Groupthink. What is groupthink in the sense? In the next slide we'll learn about that. And excessive conformity can lead to a variety of problems. Here are some of the key issues that arise when a group cohesion becomes too cohesive. So groupthink. See, here you can consider this is a particular office. Like he's a boss. He asks, so do we agree to this particular statement? So all these people will say yes, yes, agree, yes. But deep inside, see, they have different opinions. No, we are doomed. No, bad idea. Deep inside, they have different opinions. But they are like telling outside, they are telling like yes, yes, agree. This is all what groupthink is. In real world example, if we consider in your college itself, like a HOD comes and says like you have every Saturday as working day. So some people like say yes madam we will come, but some people have different opinions. Like, no, we cannot come. So this is one. But you also will join with them and say yes. We'll be shouting yes. So this is what is groupthink is. And the next thing is reduce creativity. So this can be thought of like a group project. Like faculty has assigned you some particular group project. Like you are all resistant to particular group. Like you have a group over cohesion, like over unity. How does it reduce creativity in the sense if one person is dominating the other person? Like you don't wish or will to ask the person to change the like different thought or idea. So this is what is reduced creativity. If you are in a particular group, in the sense over cohesion, then creativity would be reduced. Like individual creativity would not be encouraged. And resistance to change. So what is resistance to change? Like you do not accept any change. Like for example, you got a mail like from tomorrow onwards they have introduced new uniform for you, like no color dress, no civil dress for you. You have to come in uniform. So you, like there is a resistance to change, right? From these variants you want to like impress some other people. Of course, impress other people in the sense in your own ways. So you actually resistance to change. Uniform in the sense all will be like perfect uniform. Uniformity would be there. So you actually resistance to change. Not only in this example, in this context, even in the organizations also, over cohesion leads to resistance to change. Because in organizations, if you consider an example, like you have a group of 10 members, and you are very tightly like supporting each other, and 11th person wants to come and join in here. So will you allow? No, right? Only you are very tightly. We are 10 members. We do not encourage any other person. So that is what resistance to change is. And conflict avoidance. So in colleges, we do not do this basically, like conflict avoidance. If we have any conflicts, we want to get into quarrels, fights. Like usually we have been seeing in many other branches. Like we actually be in the conflict, but it is not same like in the organization. If you go in future to any organizations, like you try to avoid the conflicts. See, you have two groups, first group and second group. First group is not liking the second group, but you do not want to like create some conflicts between yourself. But each other, end of the day, you have to submit your work to your bosses, right? If they do not do any work also, you do not complain on it. Because why do you want to complain? You want to earn your money, and why do you want to complain on it? This is what it is conflict avoidance. You basically avoid conflicts when it comes under the point of overcohesion. And social loafing. It is not doing social loafing. What social loafing is? Where individuals reduce their effect when working in a group. That's what. When you consider a group project, like individual, you do not have like your own identity. Like your effort is actually reduced because group is giving different effort, right? You have maximized effort from the group, but individual group, like individual potential will not be encouraged here. So social loafing is that only. See, you assume that others will carry the workload, resulting in unequal contribution. So you will be like, why should I do? The other person will do. This is what happens. Like if there is a group of friends, why should I contribute? My friend will do. This is what it is social loafing. And unequal participation. Yeah, social loafing is a continuation part to the unequal participation. So you have different frequency of your participation in a particular point of like creating any project or anything. So this is what is unequal participation. See, this imbalance can discourage contributions from less less assertive individuals, leading to lack of diverse perspectives. Like if you are not able to participate, you have no interest in your group, then how will it lead to diversified work? It doesn't lead to productivity of your project. It leads to distractivity actually. And in conclusion, so what was our topic? Problems arise due to overcohesion. So what we have to learn from this is maintain unity, but not too much unity. Like overcohesion is not supported because it leads to see these problems like reduced creativity, groupthink, interpersonal issues, unequal participation. These are all the problems which lead to overcohesion. So that's all for the presentation. Any queries?